Hello guys, this is Shaq from Shaq's Hacks, and today I'm going to review the MR4 by Edifier. They look small but they produce a lot of bass. There are lots of options. You can plug in your MP3 player from the front as well as the back with some RCAs. You've got also the option for TRS for any instruments. You have a control knob for bass and trebles. So with the volume knob you can change a few things. Obviously you can change the volume with some clicking feedback. You can turn on and off the speaker, and you can change the speakers from hi-fi speakers to studio monitors. Alright, so let's play some music and let's see how these sound. The volume is about 60%. Okay, let's change the music now. Let's play something different. How about some classical? Okay, let's try and make a beat. Anyway, so that's just an example. As you could hear, it's just very clear and I love how it sounds. Yes, I was also able to connect my drum unit to the TRS balanced input here, and the drums sound absolutely lovely. They sound alive and powerful. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked it, please press that like button and subscribe, and I will see you in another one. Bye!